Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through a problem a few of you might have where your TikTok videos have no views. So I'm just going to walk you through a couple of instances on why that might be and it should clear up. Why you don't have any more views and get it all fixed. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, we will open our TikTok mobile application. From here you have to tap on the plus icon and you have to little bit video. Once you have recorded the video, you simply have to tap on the next at the bottom of the corner. The very first thing you have to make sure is that where you are going through this, at the very top it says who can view this video. Make sure that you have set it to everyone or public. So if potentially you have set it to private accidentally, that means nobody can view it, which means that only you can view that video. You want to set that to public and then you have to make sure to post it. Once your video has been posted, now as you guys can see that it still has no views, what I want to do next is tap on the three little lines at the top right corner of the screen. Then I have simply go to settings and privacy. From here I have to tap on where it says privacy. Here you have to make sure that the private account has been turned off. So potentially if you have a private account and you haven't approved any of the followers, that maybe nobody can actually see your video. And then the last thing you could do, you have to make sure that your private account is turned off so that the people can see your video. And then the last thing that you want to do is to go back and simply tap on your video, and after that you have to share that video to the particular persons. For that you simply have to tap on the three little dots at the bottom of the screen, and from here you can share it to any of the platforms so that people can see it. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.